Now I just want to make pork rinds in water. Super easy and delicious. In boiling water, add about 700 grams of pork belly. Next, add 2 crushed garlic cloves. I'll also use some bay leaves. I'll season with black pepper. Use as much as you like. Then I'll add some salt too. After that, mix it all well. Now cover and let it cook for about 20 minutes. After that time, just open the lid. Remove all the pork rinds and place on paper towels. Folks, this part is crucial. Dry all the pork belly thoroughly with paper towels. I dried the bottom and top really well. Now just transfer everything to an air fryer. You can fry in oil, but this is quicker and safer. Just pop it in the air fryer at 170 degrees for about 30 minutes or until golden brown. Check it out, folks. See how incredible this pork crackling looks. Now I'll spritz some lemon on top using this handy sprayer, which is super convenient. Next, I'm going to add a pinch of salt as well. Once that's done, folks, it's time to dig in and enjoy. Just look at how amazing this pork crackling turned out. Try this at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. That was another quick recipe from Poor Man's Kitchen. Sending you a big hug. See you next time. Thanks, folks.